Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. This is what I'm having for tea tonight. I've been to Aldi and Asda shopping and I picked up some reduced sausages. These summer grill ones are usually about £4 odds and they were reduced to £2.37. So I cooked a few of them in a dish in the air fryer and the rest will go in the freezer. 7 minutes each side, and I cooked about 5 or 6 of them, so I'll throw them in the fridge once they've cooled down. I'll leave them in the microwave to cool for now. And I got reduced buns as well, hot dog rolls. They were 72 pence for 6 rather than the usual 1.42. And the salad leaves in Aldi were 50% off. And I threw in some tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. These are 62p a bag, and I like these. These are Asda's own brand coleslaw. It's only 50p a tub, so it makes a really yummy salad. And then I garnished it with a homemade garnish. I'm going to have some reduced price cheesecakes, lemon ones. They were 67 pence. So how did I make this garnish? I chopped and peeled a couple of little teeny tiny onions. These are about 80p in Asda and Aldi. You get about 10-12 in a bag. I heated up a dot of oil. You could use a little knob of butter. Then I added the onions and the curry powder at the same time. These tubs of curry powder you can get in Aldi and Asda. I think they're 79 pence at the moment. And half a tin of chopped tomatoes. So I cooked the onion and the curry powder for a good couple of minutes. Then I stirred in the chopped tomatoes in another couple of minutes. And then you'd end up with some relish, and then I just spooned it on top. So nice cheapy dinner. Most of it was reduced and really tasty with the relish on top. If you could be so kind, could you please like, share and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching.